Alright guys, let's start it with variables. So let's open the doc type tag and okay, we are slowly getting into serious HTML and serious JavaScript programming. Roll your sleeves up. Tough road ahead. H1 tag JavaScript variables. Okay, we're going to talk about JavaScript variables in this piece of code. And remember, variable var is a keyword in JavaScript. In this example, X, Y, and Z are variables. Okay, and P ID is equal to demo and paragraph closed. All right, let's open up the script tag. We always declare the demo before we begin the scripting. Okay, let's open up the script tag and declare variables where X is equal to 5, where Y is equal to 6, and var Z is equal to X plus Y. Okay, semicolon indicates end of statement. Document dot get element by ID demo. Okay, dot inner HTML is equal to Z, very essential statement in JavaScript. All right, and then close the script tag, close the body tag, close the HTML tag. All right, HTML tag. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get element. Yes, these are the things that I like to check before I run my program. And please, I suggest you to check for any errors before we save it. All right, we checked everything is okay. Save as variables dot HTML. Save, and let's find the file. I think it's all the way down. Okay, where is variables? Yes. So we're talking about JavaScript variables here. In this example, X, Y, and Z are variables, and the answer is 11. Okay, if I want to explain this in another way, I would like to say that using variables in JavaScript programming is pretty much like using conducting algebra sums in your math. So if I do it in an algebra format, this is what it would look like. Okay, let me just delete this all the way. Yeah, let me change the script here, okay, to show you that we can do this just like algebra. Let me delete this. Okay, let's add script here that I want to show you. Var price 1 is equal to 5. So instead of XYZ, you can also assign a value to an alphanumeric expression like var price 2. It doesn't just have to be one alphabet, like X, Y, and Z. It can be an alphanumeric expression, some kind of a variable name that is more, descriptive, easier to understand. Var total is equal to price1 plus price2, end of statement. And then document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to, I just like to hit enter so that it makes more sense. Something too long is not a lot of fun to read. The total is plus total, okay, and close the statement. All right, I just checked if there were any errors. Everything looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and save and save as. I just like to make sure. Save, yes, and try to open the file variables. You should see no difference. There you go. In this example, x, y, and z are variables. Let me see. Just hold on. In this example, price1 and price2 are variables. Just to demonstrate that the programming did happen. The statements were executed. And let's try to refresh the page. There you go. The total is 10. All right. Okay, there's something else apart from the JavaScript variables that I was trying to explain. I want to explain the identifiers in the variables. Okay, all JavaScript variables must be identified with unique names. So these unique names are called identifiers. Identifiers can be short names like x and y, like we used in the previous example, or more descriptive names like age, sum, total, volume, just like we used in the current example, price1, price2. The general rules for constructing names for variables, that is unique identifiers, are: names contain letters, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. Names can contain, okay, you can add dollar signs and underscores, and names must begin with a letter. Okay, so you can't say one price or two price. No, price1 and price2. Names can also begin with dollar sign, but we will not use it in this tutorial. And names are case sensitive. Y and Y are different variables. Okay, so be very careful while you're typing HTML or any kind of statements. Everything is fine, it's forgiven. But if you are using variables, you need to use variables that mean something, and variables are case sensitive, and try not to use the same alphabet as a small case and uppercase because it's very confusing. So just to make you more aware of what kind of identifiers you're adding. Then you have reserved words like JavaScript keywords cannot be used as names. Do not try to say break in your variables. Don't try to say try, catch, if, and, or do, while. All of these words, please don't use them. All right, let's move on to operators. All right, we have the assignment operator. In JavaScript, the equal sign is an assignment operator, okay, not an equal to operator. Okay, this is different from algebra. The following does not make sense in algebra: x is equal to x plus 5. In JavaScript, it makes perfect sense. It assigns the value of x plus 5 to x. It calculates the value of x and puts the result into x. The value of x is incremented by 5. You need to understand this logic, and because we're going to be using a lot of these things in the program, the equal to operator is written like double equal sign in JavaScript. Please remember that. This is the equal to sign. All right. All right, let's talk about data types. All right, JavaScript data types. JavaScript variables can hold numbers like 100 and text values like John D. Okay, so in programming, text values are called text strings. Okay, John D is called text strings. And JavaScript can handle many types of data. For example, we did hello Dolly, how are you? These are text strings. JavaScript can handle many types of data, but for now, just think of numbers and strings. Strings are written inside double or single quotes. Okay, remember you could use double or single quotes. Numbers are written without quotes. Okay, if a number is within quotes, it is a string. It is considered to be a string. If you put a number in quotes, it will be treated as a text string. Okay, let's try this ourselves in the notepad. Let's try a program in which we try to define data types. All right, I'm going to begin typing, and we're trying to write a program that demonstrates the use of data types. Let's open up the doctype HTML. Open up the HTML tag. Open up the body tag. Open up the h1 tag and write JavaScript. I'd like to say JavaScript variables, and I'd like to say data types. Okay, so that we understand what we're working on. Close the h1 tag. All right, and let's open up the paragraph tag and say strings are written with quotes, period. Close the paragraph tag. Next, open up another paragraph tag and say numbers are written without quotes, just like what I explained. Numbers are written without quotes. All right, close the paragraph tag and open up the paragraph tag and say try to experiment by removing the comments. Okay, so we're going to write a program and then we're going to comment it out to understand which one is being executed and which one is not being executed. So again, do not forget you need an ID which you will call in your JavaScript script tag within your script tags, and close this paragraph tag. All right, we are ready to write the script. Open up the script tag and write var pi, that's pi, var pi is equal to 3.14. So what would have happened if I just left it as VAE? Nothing, no computation would work, because VAE is not a keyword. VAR is a keyword, and when JavaScript reads VAR, it instantly knows that there is a value going on, a variable going on, and it is being assigned to some kind of an operator, some kind of a value. All right, so let's continue. Then write var, hit enter, and write var person is equal to John Doe. All right, what did I just do? I did not include quotes with numbers, with number variables, and I included quotes with text string variables. Var answer is equal to yes, I am. Okay, I know it doesn't make sense, but we're just trying to make a point here. And then go ahead and write document dot get element by ID. Open up the demo tag and dot inner HTML, all caps, inner HTML is equal to pi. Okay, And let's go to the next line and write, comment this out, document dot get element by id invert commas open, demo close dot inner html is equal to person. Okay, and comment this one out as well. We're going to run it later. Document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to answer, and then let's close the script tag, close the body tag, close the HTML tag. Okay, I'm just going to run a quick check and see if everything is okay. Alright, everything looks fine. I'm going to save this as something else, not variables. I'm just going to write data types here. Okay, save, and I also want to save it as HTML file. Very simple. .html. Save. Now let's try to find it, variables and then data types. There you go. Alright, try to experiment by removing the comment comment sign 3.14. Let's remove this one. Okay, so you should be able to see John Doe, and I'm going to try to refresh this page. John Doe. Okay, let's remove the final comment here. Gone. Save it. You should be able to see yes I am. Alright, try to experiment by removing the comment tag. So we got rid of these two and we just have this one here. I'm thinking, why did that happen? Why isn't everything showing? Oh yeah, because it's going to show only one demo. Demo stands for only one thing. Demo could be answer, demo could be person, demo could be pie. Okay, so if you have all of these working together, it's going to leave the last one. Okay, so comment this out. I will show you. Save, and I have these two not committed out. Let's go back. Okay, yes I am is still there. The answer is yes I am. There you go. It would just show one demo, the value of one demo at a time. Won't show the value of two demos at a time. Okay, so let me comment this out and you should see the value of pi. Okay, save, and let's refresh this. There you go. All right, so this is how data type works. All right, let's end the lecture here, and upcoming in the next video I'm going to show you how you create JavaScript variables. Okay, how variables are created, what's the right way to do it. We're going to do some more examples, and we're going to go back into more coding, more practice. So stay tuned and I'll see you shortly.